number 29. A toy car with charge Q moves on a frictionless horizontal plane surface under the influence of a uniform electric field. Due to force QE, its velocity increases from 0 to 6 meters per second in 1 second duration. At that instant, the direction of the field is reversed. The car continues to move for more than 2 seconds under the influence of this field. The average velocity and the average speed of the toy car between 0 to 3 seconds are respectively option 1 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second. Option 2 1 and 3. Option 3 1 and 3.5. Option 4 1.5 and 3. So solution will be 0 less than t less than 1 second. Velocity increases from 0 to 6 meter per second, and 1 is less than t less than 2. Velocity decreases from 6 to 0 meter per second, but car continues to move forward. So 2 is less than t less than 3 seconds. Since field strength is the same acceleration, car velocity increases from 0 to minus 6 meter per second. This is the graph. This velocity increases from 0 to 6. Then velocity decreases from 0 to 6 to 0. Then 0 to minus 6. Distance traveled in first second. S is equal to u plus v by 2 into t is equal to 0 plus 6 by 2 into 1 is equal to 3 meter. Distance is equal to 9 meter. So average speed is 3 meter per second. Displacement is 3 meter. So average velocity 3 meter by 3 second is equal to 1 meter per second.